Hello, my dear first become student. This is G. Mirza Atik. The next aspect in our first unit, evolution of HRM in India. The evolution of the concept of human resource management is given below with the help of a chart here. Evolution of HRM. The first stage here, the welfare officers, and the second one here, the labor manager. Third here, personnel management, and fourth one, the human resource management. So human capital that can be utilized properly, the partner and the peoples, etc. So this chart tells us here the evolution of human resource management in India. So first one, period before industrial revolution. So the era before industrial revolution, the society was primarily an agricultural economy with limited production. Number of specialized crafts was limited and was usually carried out within a village or community with apprentices assisting the master craftsman here in villages. Communication channel were limited, so these things are very limited one here. Next step here, the period of industrial revolution. So this is very important stage or step during the year 1950 to 1850. So industrial revolution marked the conversion of economy from agriculture based to industry based here. So agriculture based to industry based, modernization and increased means of communication give way to industrial setup. A department was set up to look into workers' wages here. They are concentrating mainly not only setting up the industry, but they are concentrating regarding setting up their wages, welfare and other related issues. This led to workers' wages and salaries. They are mainly concentrating on this stage, the workers' wages and salaries, workers' record maintenance here, workers' housing facilities and health care. So these are the important things that can be taken into consideration during those years here. An important event in industrial revolution sorry, was the emergence of labor union. Workers employee in the industry or factories were subjected to long working hours and very less wages here. So third stage, post-industrial revolution. So the term human resource management saw a major evolution after 1850. Various studies were released and many experiments were conducted during those period here. The HRM altogether a new meetings and importance. Here a brief overview of major theories or some theories are there proposed during the period is given. First, Frederick F.W. Taylor, a well-known management thinker. So according to his theory, giving the principles of scientific management 1857 to 1911, which led to the evolution of scientific human resource management approach which involved workers training. So they are mainly concentrating on the training giving to the employees or workers here after recruitment, maintaining wages uniformity. So uniformity in wages paid, focus on attaining better productivity and payment of incentives. So another important theory that can be taken into consideration according to Elton Mayo, that is known as called as Hawthorne studies. So Elton Mayo and Fritz Rathblisberger during their 1927 to 1940. So his observation and findings of Hawthorne experiment shifted the focus of human resources, increasing workers' productivity. to increase workers' efficiency. So that is very important. So productivity increasing and workers' efficiency increasing through greater worker satisfaction. So worker satisfaction must and should help for increasing productivity and satisfaction. The relations between employees assumed importance. So another theory according to MacGregor, Dougal's MacGregor theory, X and theory Y. Theory X and theory Y. During the 1960, Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs, 1954, these studies and observations led to transition from the administration and passive personnel management approach to a more dynamic human resource management approach which considered worker as a valuable resources. He is a very important resources in the organization. Human resource management become increasingly so achieving the targets or goals or objective not only here the resources but also human resource that is very important here. So recruitment and selection of skilled worker, that is one important point to be noted here. Second one, motivation and employee benefits. Third, training and development of worker. Fourth, performance linked salaries and benefit. The last stage in evolution of human resource management in India, that is strategic human resource management approach. So with increase in technology and knowledge based industries and as a result of global competition here, human resource management has come to assume more capital and then the critical role today. Its major accomplishment is aligning the individual goals and objectives with corporate goals and objectives. So here strategic of human resource management focuses on action that differentiate the organization from its competition and aims to make long-term impact on the success of organization. So thank you very much.